to Don't Mind This. My name is Guggen.
My name is Omar.
And today we got you guys.
Basically, we're gonna shotgun 5 beers.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really know if this is a challenge on YouTube or not, but we're doing this as a challenge. What we're doing is we're chugging shotgunning 5 beers. And this is more of a challenge between us. Yeah, so we're just gonna see who can do it.
So, this is our first time shotgunning the beer. We've never done it before.
Yeah.
So, we want to see how it will go.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, I'm actually pretty damn nervous.
Alright, ready?
Wait.
I'm ready to start.
Oh. Working, fuck. Why isn't mine working?
So we're fucking. Man, like, I don't know how people can be doing this all the fucking time. I can't do it. Usa. Ooh.
Fuck. Sorry for making a mess, Paul.
I can't open it. I have no nail. What the fuck? Fuck. I have no nails. I have no nails. You know what? I'm gonna use this to help me out real quick.
Think I'm done. These shoot everywhere.
I thought I'd throw it up. Now I'm gonna take my sweet ass time. Hey, Paul, get us a bag real quick. I'm gonna come out real quick.
I basically defeated the purpose of shotgunning.
Yeah, you did. Oh my god, this is like, fuck, he fucking.
Why is all my beer hella fucking bubbly?
He's losing! No, basically he's cheating because basically all the beer is on the fucking floor. Ah, it's fucking hard. My stomach hurts. It's fucking bloated. You know what? I'm gonna take a sweet time, man. I'm gonna take it like a fucking, like a minute. You feel bloated? It's like basically all the beer on the fucking floor.
I know.
Cheating. Like how do you do it? Like, how do you freaking...
Just...
Remember, like, you're supposed to go like this. Tilt it down. Are you doing that?
I can't remember.
Hold on, man. I'm gonna take a fucking break. It's fucking... I'm gonna keep opening it. It's fucking hard.
Oh. To be honest, this beer is not that bad.
Yeah, but my stomach is fucking bloated already.
Ugh.
Fuck.
Well, you fucking suck at this. At least I do.
Fuck! Fucking hurt. It's pretty hard, huh?
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna throw up.
By the time we get to the 5th beer, probably.
I didn't want to continue no more, but I just kind of want to see if you guys... I had the burrito and then the hot Cheetos and... Can't do no more. Is there any comments?
Oh my god.
No. Let's see who can, okay, like, we don't have to drink the whole 5 beers. It's whoever can drink the most. Oh my god. I find you bags.
I know.
How do you feel right now?
Not good.
I feel like throwing up. I can't go. With every fucking sip I take, I throw you up. Oh, my stomach. Oh. Oh. I don't know. people can fucking do it like nothing.
This is not even shotgunning anymore.
I know, it's like fucking taking time and shit. I can't do it. I'm taking my sweet time. I'm hella bloated.
Oh
shit.
uh,
I'm still on my third one.
I just finished my third one.
Oh wait. Oh fuck. I'm still on my second and a half. Can't go no more, bro.
Like stomach is all fucked up.
Another one?
I'm reaching for my fourth one.
Right, you gotta throw it.
I know.
It's not even shotgunning right now. It's like taking your sweet time. It's like.
This is why I kind of wish we were outside, so that way we could just shotgun and then puke. And then shotgun and shotgun.
Oh my god, I have to throw up right now. Because I just want to quit.
I want to quit hell of that too.
If I can't finish this one, I'm gonna fucking call it quits. You're trying to win. See, whatever fucking beer I take, because I'm sick of it. I just got sick. Oh my god. This is like babysitting. Not even.
I know. To be honest, I think we already lost. We're not even shotgunning anymore.
You know what? Fuck, I quit.
I think that we already lost, to be honest.
No, but to be honest, like, no, I
My
can't.
shoes are all fucking wet from all the beer I spilled.
Like me, I can't go no more. So I'm done. Okay.
To be honest, I quit too.
To be honest, no, but
This shit is just.
dude, I think he won. Okay?
We're not at that level yet where we can shotgun 5 fucking beers straight.
Okay, so
Hell, we were having trouble on our second fucking shotgun. To be honest, I was having trouble on my first shotgun. I couldn't even get that right.
it's like, but yeah, so
That was us shotgunning. Or
I only
fucking failing at it.
I only shotgun 2.5 beers. How much did you do?
3.
He did 3.
But it was hardly a shotgun though.
Yeah, but I still count it as a win because you still did more than me. So, yeah, so we suck. Actually, kind of hard, dude. Like, fuck. Because you get bloated hella quick.
You get bloated hella quick. I mean, makes you want to fucking throw up. And, well, we're inside. We don't really want to throw up. You know, just.
Okay,
you know.
yeah, but that was our shotgunning 5 beer challenge. So, like, if you want to see more challenges, if you liked it anyways, hit that like.
Leave a comment.
Subscribe.
The bell next to the subscribe button, please hit it.
And
share!